guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're back with the 1983 Kawasaki GPZ1100 that we got for free. If you guys watched the latest video of the free GPZ, you remember we put the swing arm on with the correct wheel. We're about to put on the fender guard back there, and this is the pile of Suzuki GSXR parts that we have that we're going to add to today because it's front end time. We're going to take this guy, this front end, and put it on there. But if you guys saw the latest, you know that I ordered swing arm and forks and then got them in, and the next day the original owner says, oh, by the way, I got some parts if you want to come pick them up. So I've got to take some bits that I don't have, like the triple tree. I'm going to put it on this one because this is all together. And this came with the bike. These are in a little bit better shape. So we're going to put these, everything on, transfer everything onto this and then put it onto the bike. Okay guys, I need to take this front end apart. These caps are different. This is front ends from an 84. We have an 83. These caps are different, and I don't have that size Allen key. So we're going to use a pipe wrench. God, what did they put that thing on? I can go to the store and get something to fit on that. That stinks. Because I need this. I need the triple tree here. No matter what, I can't mount it to the bike without taking it apart. Even if I was going to use this, these two things have to come off. So let me see if I can find out what size this is and see if I can get it. Okay, let's see if I can figure out what size this is so when I go to the hardware store or the auto parts store, I know what size it is. Because I don't want to carry these forks with me. Okay, let's give that a shot. Okay, so I'm thinking if I measure it like that, I'm about 18 millimeter. Okay guys, I'm back from the auto parts store with the right tool, and just a hack, right? A life hack. Go to the same auto parts store and join their rewards program. So then that way when you need tools and you go buy them, they go, hey, you have $20 in rewards. Do you want to use them? Yes. Makes life easier. If they want to give me free money, I want to take it. So let's get this thing off. Dang, how tight is this thing? There we go. I don't think that was torqued to spec. Let's try this one. Good. Let's get these out. Awesome. Let's take this thing apart. Okay guys, if you're unsure on how things are going to go back together, just take some photographs of it while it's still together so you can keep track of it. Okay guys, let's see if we can start getting this guy apart. A little tap, 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 tap.
All you got to do is just tap it in. Just tap it in.
Don't go ham on this. You don't want to break anything. Hot dog. And we'll try to keep this in order of the way that it goes so I can remember that part. Okay. That is the right side, which will be this side. So we're going to do it like that. We'll clean them up before we put them back on. Clean this guy up. We'll clean these up and put some more grease in them. And this side. Okay, let me go get a bar, see if I can get this guy off. Okay, we got a little bit more lever here, so let's see if this works. Yep, here. There we go. 1, 2, 1. too. Okay, we're good. I wonder if this thing all comes off together. Let's find out. Maybe I could look in the manual, but let's do it this way. It seems more fun. Let me do some research and figure out how to get these guys off. And I may need to squirt some juice in here to get that off. Let me look at it. Okay, this is the other one off the other motorcycle, the original set of forks that were taken off. And it just has a pair of O-rings in here, and this one looks to be in perfect condition. These O-rings aren't smushed or anything like that. So I wanted to look at it just to see how it goes together. It just looks like I'm just stuck together. So I'm gonna try some lubricant on it, some penetrant on it, and see if I can get it to move. It's just tight, so it's just gonna have to be walloped. Okay, yeah, that penetrating oil seems to work. All right, Yahtzee. We got it. Keep that guy there. And now, it's this guy. Let me squirt this little juice in here too. I don't think it'll hurt. Kind of neat the way these shocks work. There's a hole right there that goes into it, and then you can pump air into it. So you can put a little, you put a lot, and it fills the space in the shock to make it work. Yeah, kind of air assist. Kind of interesting. Okay, let's slide this sucker down. Yeah, I can definitely get a better swing at it. Yahtzee! Okay, good. Now we know how that goes on. Let's put it on the other one. Okay, so this is the back, this is the front, so let's put these guys on. I got a little grease on both of them, so let me see if this will work. Let me just keep getting this guy on. Awesome. I said earlier, this one on the right side, I believe so, which is this side. So let's put a little juice on the inside of these O-rings. I should start a band. Okay, looks pretty good. Now we'll wallop that up a little bit after we put on these guys. Screws should go to the middle, right? That's what I'm thinking. Screws should go to the middle. That way you don't see them on the outside. Right, that looks better. Let's do that. Okay guys, so we got the front end together minus the top triple tree and the bearing that goes on top. Now it's on to taking this guy apart. See if we can get this guy out. No more Suzuki on the GPZ. Okay, let's see if I can get these up and tell my family bye. Hey, Jackie boy.
Hey. I got Kitty right here.
You got Kitty right there. I'm sure she's happy. Huh. Hey, Jackie boy, you want to do me a favor, buddy?
Yeah,
Look, you see where the bucket is? Look, you see those two? No, not on the bucket, on the ground. On the ground, buddy. On the ground, right by the two that look like a star. Yeah, those two. Bring them to me. You're the best.
It's the more.
No, I don't need those. I just need the ones in your hand.
Oh,
In your hand. Good job, buddy. Way to go, Jackie boy.
Is there more?
No, that's all I need. Let's see if I can lift this sucker up.
I got this.
Okay, we put the Schrader valve on the correct side, but we put it on the wrong side. It's got to go to the back, and I'll show you why in just a second. At least we're good at taking it on and off. Oh, we'll need that. Okay, so we need this guy with the Schrader valve pointed to the back and going on like this, because the way this guy angles here, it needs to angle that way towards the front so that I have room to clear right here my lock. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. And come on. There we go. Come on, get that bearing in there. Awesome sauce. Haha. Look at that. It's getting there. Come on. I'll have to give this guy a break. Okay. Give my back a little break and then go back at it. Lift it up. And the bearing to see. Hold on. Hold on. I'm down all the way, but I'm not reaching. Tell me. Did they take that out of... Oh. I may have found out why I don't have... Can't be that different, huh? Hey guys, we ran into a roadblock. So we started putting the front end on and we ran into a roadblock, and I'll show you where it is. It's right here. Let me see if I can get you up under here. You see this big gap right here? See that big gap right there? That is our problem. So this was the replacement front forks. Well, this bit, the steering stem, was put onto the the GSXR forks. Who would have thought that Kawasaki from 1983 to 1984 would make the steering stem 7/8 of an inch longer? So this is the stock steering stem, 1983 Kawasaki GPZ. The front end I got that I'd ordered before I got the pieces and parts back was from a 1984. But the pieces and parts I have did not have a triple tree because it's right there. So the steering stem on the 83 is 7/8 of an inch longer. And if I turn this guy on, you can see where the 7/8 of an inch is. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to take this whole set. I'm going to take off the lower triple tree from the one that's on the bike now, and the lower triple tree from the one that was off the bike previously. Bring it to a buddy's place. He's got machine tools. We're going to press it off, see if we can press the steering stem off of this one, put it onto the other one, and then be able to put it back together. I mean, that's our only hope. If we can do that, we'll be good. So we ran into a roadblock, but let me show you. Even with the roadblock and without the front fairing, this guy is looking so much better. Those other wheels were just too small. They were too small. It didn't fit the bike. Look at this. This fits so much better. So guys, as always, I'd like to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, go ahead and wander over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Plan B Motos, Ace Cafe Bikes, and Moto Mango, and give them a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.